Today's date is December 10th, 2023, and Benito and I are here, and what we're trying to do, Snowmageddon put so much weight on our deck that these piers were pushed down into the ground almost 2 inches. So what I'm trying to do is I got my farm jack here, finally got it so I could jack this beam up. This beam right here, where my foot is going over underneath, and what we're trying to do right now, this beam here was resting on this stump right here. And what Benito has done, there's Benito. Yep.
He's gonna hold this.
Yeah. Oh, we're using this stump to jack it up, but it's starting to pull it out, which exacerbate what I'm trying to do here. What we did, ow, my arm. We took the bolts out, so we're going to try and raise this up. We got to go up 2 inches, so we'll see what's going to happen here.
You have to secure it from here.
So that's where we're at. We'll see what's going to happen here. It doesn't look good. Here,
sure, but
it's on.
I think we have to put the hammer jack in this.
Oh, on the
because I'm not because if they come, they're gonna came.
Is it? It's raising it.
Yes, but I don't know if the.
Well, let's see. I'm up an inch.
Yes, and the opening right there. It's like okay. Let me move, just in case.
Are you worried?
Kinda. Okay, now I think you have like 2 inches right here.
Right. So what I want to do is get a 2x4. We'll put in there to just hold it while.
Okay.
I'll get the jack up here.
2x4.
Okay, so we may go up a little bit higher. I got to look at the level up there, but you can see there's the gap, and I think we have to go up even a little bit higher. So we're going to eventually, what we're trying to do is get it so we can put a post right here. So anyway, we'll keep working on this. I have to do the farm jack now. So let me go over here. Let's see what's going to happen here. We're gradually getting this. We're probably going to have to do something here. You don't have another jack, do you, in your car?
Yes, the regular one, the little one.
Well, do you think it would work?
Yes, we can put like a.
Okay, we're going to get another jack on the job here. So we're going to have 3 jacks. One more, we'll have a full house. Okay, here it is a couple hours later. This is what we've had to do to get this up. So what we're going to do now, this is how much it's settled. Do you have that tape? The tape measure?
Right there, yes, kick it.
That's not looking so swift there. Oh, thank you. To see how much this so this settled almost 6 inches. So Well, I'm going to have to, I'll show you, we're going to have to jack this up once we get everything, this outside part done. I'm going to have to jack that up. I'll show you. So, down there, well, that last segment got cut short because the battery died. So now I just wanted the audience to see that he's the one doing the work, not me. So, because a couple people were thinking about filing an elderly abuse claim. So we added, what was it? How many? 5.5 inches?
From 81 to 87.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we added 5.5 inches, and we're quickly getting back to level, plumb, or whatever else you want to call it. So I have to, I don't know if we can see that pier right there, but that's got to have a spacer put in there. So anyway, we're getting real close to getting this done. So that's it for this update. Okay, I'm back. We got a new post in here. We had to add, how much did we add? Benito, how many inches on that? 5.5, right?
5.5, and then remember we lower.
Oh, okay. So about 5 inches, and we got all the debris and everything taken out of here. And because these two are grown together, we can't get a foundation right there, and the building's in the way. So we're going to anchor it right there. With before you put that one in, let's put that back one in, the 12-incher.
And this one?
Yeah. So we're gonna, I hardly ever get to use my impact wrench, so we're gonna use it on this, where's that, we're gonna use it on this 12-incher and sink it into the tree. This was just cut down recently, so you can see there's different settings for it right there, so it might be on the weakest. Let's go here, right there. Okay. I didn't think 2 inches into the center of the tree was going to be enough. Does it stop?
Yes.
Maybe it's a weak battery.
Or maybe you don't have like a longer bit, like
well,
so that way we can.
Maybe I'll go look. Yeah, we could put a pilot hole in there, but that's going to be the better. That shouldn't be maxing out. No, I mean, it's supposed to be 600 foot-pounds. Just keep going. That seems to be working. So we're going to put another 12-incher in there, and then we're going to see if we have at least another if we don't have a 12, I think I got a 10 in there. So we're putting this one right in the heart of the tree. Well, that's a good sign right there. Okay, that's a really good sign. So that's probably deep enough.
Okay.
So where's the other one? Is it
one.
down here? Okay, so we got these 1/2 inch by 12 inch self-threading anchor bolts in, and all of this is going to work. So what's coming up next, this is so solid, I kind of wanted to see, maybe with the sun going through there, that's perfectly level, and now that one is. So it was there was so much weight on this deck that it caused everything to sink 5 inches. Not so much up here, but down there it did. So we got that all level, and we're going to put our boards back, finish leveling this up because the steps sagged, so I'm going to raise that up, and then we'll be done. Well, as the sun sets in the west, everything is all plumb. It's all leveled, really strong now. And Snowmageddon damage is finally over. We're just putting in the last few boards. So everything is, the steps, we got the steps up and all that. So that puts this to a close and a beginning. Merry Christmas.